Hi and welcome. Today we are exploring the phrasal verbs with the word take. Phrasal verbs are phrases with a verb and a preposition, which together gives a new meaning. Let us explore the phrasal verbs with take. Take after means to resemble another person. Take away means to remove. Take back means to return something. Take care of means to provide care for. Another meaning for care, to take care of, is to arrange for something to happen. Take down means to record or to take down something in writing. Take off means to rise from the ground, used for aeroplanes or rockets. Take off as another meaning means to remove clothing that one is wearing. Take off means to arrange absence from school or work. Take off has another meaning that means to be successful very quickly. Take over means to get control of something. To take up means to begin something new, for example, a new hobby. There are certain words like take down. You can see an asterisk is marked over here. That means maybe an object can be placed between these two words. Take it down. Take it back. Take it off. Take it over. Take it up. Now there is an exercise for the students to attempt. The students may pause the video, attempt on the exercise, and at the end of the exercise the answers are given and the students may self-assess. Thank you.